Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and try and mount that side. We're gonna do these. I'll drill the holes on the other side. We'll go over there now. I'll drill the holes. We'll drill the holes to match that side, and then we'll drill the holes. We'll put some good old nut certs in there. I've got some. They're steel because I got the aluminum ones kept snapping off, so these are steel, yellow zinc, so they don't rust. But yeah, it says blind rivet nut, so maybe that's what they're called. But yeah, so we'll drill some holes, put these in, and get this one mounted up. That way it's on there, and then all we got to do is just do the body work on it and get it looking good, because she ain't looking too good. I got like huge gap up here and she needs work. But I mean, this is pretty much rough. It's only got like a layer of Bondo on it, so, and I didn't sand it, I don't think, at least not very much. But yeah, let's get to getting. Well, I screwed myself. The fuck did I do with it? Right here. So this is the tool, or the piece that adapts it so that because you can use multiples, and you take off this cover here, and then this thing threads in there like so, and then this thing's like significantly longer, like, let's see, I've got, here's this one. So it's broke, but it's threaded to the inside threads of like the size that you're gonna run in there. So like these, I think they're number 10s, and 10 by 24s. So I have to hopefully be able to buy those, or I just gotta buy a new one. I think it's just a cheap Harbor Freight one. So the problem is, like over there, I think I was going too hard on them, and I bent the crap out of it. So, but I've got this one done, and it broke on just the first one. It broke, and this one that's just sitting in there just to have it lined up. And then I'll drill these bottom holes just so that way they're prepped. Then me and Paul were talking, and found out, like, so this is what I have right now. I have these button heads, but then I also have these where they're flush. These look way better than the button heads do, I think. I don't know why I didn't think about it before, but yeah, so there's like that panel button all the way in, so. But yeah, unfortunately I'm kind of at a dead end right now, just because I can't do this. I'll still drill these holes out here, so that way once I get the tool, then all I have to do is put the nut certs in, and then it's good to be bolted on, and then we just got body work to do on it. So, but yeah, you really screwed myself. So, but all right, guys, let's get these holes drilled, and then we'll. I guess I'll just put this video away until the next day that I have that tool. So, and let's do this. Alright, well, they're just sitting in there, but they're all in there. Just sitting in there. So, alright. Next clip, you'll see me with the new tool. So, see you then. Well, I got my new tool. So, now we can get these nut certs here put in, which you just saw in like the last clip there. And yeah, It's a very interesting day here in Wisconsin, though, that's for sure. I'm in shorts, and it's like warm as shit outside. It's like probably like 40s, 50s almost. And there's like a shitload of snow. This is like the day after Paul's garage collapsed again. But real quick, before I do those nut stairs, I'm probably going to try and get this snow out of the middle here because it's a lot of snow. So it's just going to melt and then run into our garages. So I'll get that stuff cleaned up here. And then I'll be back to do that. Alright, well, we got this thing done here. I mean, as good as it's going to get for now. I'm going to have to get some more bolts and nuts because this end one, it's stripped out on me. So I'll have to do a nut with a bolt through, or like a bolt with a nut through it on the back side there. But yeah, I'd like to epoxy them all so that way I don't have to worry about them like seizing or anything like that. In worst case scenario, eventually we could go to like double side tape or something, but for now, that's how we're going to do it, because they'll probably be on and off a couple times, so until we get to their final form. But yeah, there it is on there. Super excited. And we kind of were like looking around back here trying to figure out, because the game plan is to have that pipe into the turbo eventually. So it's kind of like throwing around some ideas. Oh yeah, and then we slapped some black paint right on the exhaust manifold. I also took off the other cover. I put it back on there just for all the extra heat protection, but I don't know, decided it looks ugly, so I took it off. Out of breath because we just fucking shoveled like a third of the driveway. So trying to expedite the process of the sun getting rid of the snow, so that way we don't have any problems tuning it this weekend. So man, I'm overweight, need to hit the gym. But yeah, getting excited, one step closer. And Paul's garage is kind of up again. I got that shoveled out a little bit as best as I could.
Gotta reinforce it.
But
just gonna cut out some pipe and put where it creased.
So
like in the middle and the front.
Mm.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine. Just tie some string and throw it up over that branch up there.
I don't have enough string.
So, but that's gonna be it for this one, guys. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.